Great start of the morning. Water's look at this, look at the fish. Freaking everywhere. There's schools of them. See there? Oh. See him?
Hiding under the truck.
Yeah, that's the best place for them to hide. That's what we were saying, that's what we were trying yesterday. Oh, look at them. Just redonkulous. There's just schools of fish. Big brim. See them there moving. We're going, we're off. Oh, look at that. There we are on the SS. Fucking ace. Beautiful sunny morning. 6.4 knots. Heading out over this glassy water. Look at that. Some of the beautiful water on the sea.
Nah, that's alright. I'm gonna go around.
Okay.
Jumping. Oh, it fell off.
Just a little monster swimming in the water, scaring the fish away.
Can I do that again?
No. Yeah, man. Look at the size of him.
Alright.
Get him up. Get him up. He's a fucking big one too. Get him in there. It's yours. Paid off.
Yeah, mate.
Hey! Fuck yeah.
That's awesome!
That's a fucking keeper. What's the legal?
It's like 35 and then one over 70.
Bernie, this is my one. I caught this one. 33.
So put it up on top of the esky and we'll line him out. Just pull out a bit of this out for you. There you go. So you can play with it. Make sure you don't get spiked by him.
Can I have something to push in?
Alright, so you can grab the glove, put the glove on. What have we got
Yeah,
here?
it's 35, 40. It's 40.
40 centimetres, Bernie!
40! I wanna.
Quick,
Oh,
grab your hand, grab your thing, and grab him, pick him up with your hand.
how?
Like this, we'll put him, yep, put that on, other way. That's alright, just put him straight in there. Watch the spikes. There you go, buddy. You're in the fish bin. Mels. In the fish bin. There goes the flatty.
How do you open this?
Alright, we got first fish, here we are. At the cleaning station with a bit dusky. And our spotted brim. Fishermen over in no time. Pelicans are in wait. You know what I got? Is this the best part of it?